Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to smooth your skin in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want a flawless skin in your photos? FaceApp makes skin smoothing quick and natural, and here's exactly how to do it. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the FaceApp. You're gonna type FaceApp Perfect Face Editor in the search bar. Then you're gonna open this application and you're gonna click on the installation button and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. Once you're in the app's dashboard, you're gonna make sure you grant it access to your camera and your gallery. After that, you're gonna make sure to upload your photo either by using your camera or uploading an already existing picture of you. Then you're gonna upload it here. After that, you're gonna go to the skin and retouch section. You're gonna go here. You're gonna choose the skin. As you can see here, there's an original, there's a freckless, there's smooth, there's a tan, there's no eye bags, unwrinked, fresh, clear, glowing, bright, matte. So you're gonna choose which one you want. Then you're gonna select the intensity. For example, the smoothness, you can choose the third intensity, the fourth intensity, and the fifth intensity, and it will apply it accordingly. Now, enable to access the other features, all the features, you have to pay for the premium version. So make sure to do that if you want more access. And that's it. Skin smoothing can enhance your photos without overdoing it. So use this wisely for best results. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.